Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn a new concept of how to learn SQL. Yes, SQL is structured query language, and it's a super easy to start learning anyone. I try to ask ChatGPT to get this information to adding more accurately how simple easily we can start learning SQL from scratch. Once we learn the course how to get in a job opportunities to build our career strongly in the network. So I'll ask a ChatGPT. Before first time, if you are watching this video channel, please do subscribe and support us. Let me ask how to learn SQL. That's it. A simple question. SQL is a structured query language, is very important for all the databases which are relevant to and related to database technologies. To getting a query and handling and interacting with the database. Yes, it's really important for relational database management system. So let's see, if you are already familiar and understand about the database management systems, that really great. If you are not, yes, where we need to focus, what to learn and how to improve our skills, we will see now. See, SQL is structured query language, is a powerful tool managing and manipulating relational databases. Some a few steps. ChatGPT is also ChatGPT, you know that open source AI tool where we are asking a questions and we are getting a really awesome information. So here, understand the basics of database before you start learning SQL. Yes, before starting SQL, where you need to understand about the database. What is database? How the structure, how they will function. These things you have to learn. Like what is the purpose of the database and how to use, where to use, what is the purpose we need to use for database. These things, if you are aware of it, then you start learning, then you will apply. Okay, this is the purpose I am learning, and this purpose will be survived and resolved based on these learning concepts. Yes, by understanding this way, your learning will give you more power. And the next one, choosing database management system. Which database management system you are looking for? Yes, if you are already aware of it, where the opportunities are ample and where immediately you will get in a job opportunity, and moreover where you need to focus on where the career growth is there. Yes, few of the databases are given: MySQL, Oracle, MySQL Server, like a Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL. These are the most popular databases. Most popular and having a great opportunities. If you are willing to having any opportunities and references of anyone, yes, you go it. Any one database, if you learn, other databases are very easy out of these relational database management systems. So choose your interest and learn SQL syntax. Familiar yourself SQL structured, writing of SQL syntaxes, statements, SQL statements, and SQL commands, DDL command, DML command, data definition language and data manipulation language. Few commands are there. This is not a big, a tricky job. It's easy, and online resources and tutorials are also available to learn easily nowadays. So Hari system is also offering MySQL, Microsoft SQL Server and PostgreSQL. These all are online tutorials from scratch to advanced level like an expert. To most probably we are maintaining structure very keenly, where it may be a SQL developer or SQL database administrator. Either positions, the developer can understand and easily get in a job. So find below link in the description. You will find, if you suits the course, you just go out to with a few of demo lectures. Interested? Enroll today. Next point we'll discuss practice with own exercises and projects. So how super easily you just create your own project like SQL statements or tables, then you will learn something new and learn to writing aggregation functions and creating reports, how to write filtering data, complex queries, joins, inner joins. These all are very essential topics in particular database. And attend courses like workshops, any of relevant to the forums, online classes, or any of the group discussions, advanced skill knowledge to improve. These things you have to go. Read books and blogs, which are your interested blog or like blogs or books. Yes, you go through to learn and seniors who are applying in the real-time industry techniques that you need to add for your add-on advantage. Work on real-world projects, such as if any one of super seniors are working already in this field, you just try to touch with them to learn the new things and applying a simple, easiest way. Why we require to learn the techniques? To save more time and even the less time you solving many problems. Such way, if you added your skills, definitely you will get a job more than others in front. So remember that learning SQL takes time to practice and patience, and keep on learning and practice in future versions. Upgrade learning is also very essential for SQL. All the software programs which to be need to do. So understand in that way and practice. And most of the persons, they may have any doubts regarding, will I learn like SQL even I don't know the coding background and I am not coming from the IT background. This way they may have some thoughts. So forget about all the things. You just begin with the SQL from scratch. Having a graduation or any like academic qualification, yes, definitely anyone can learn SQL. So try to understand, learn like pure coding and SQL. SQL is very easy to learn and get in a job in less time. Making reports, visualization, having huge potential and huge a future. I wish you good luck even. If you feel comfortable and this information is helpful for you to start any one point from this out of what we discussion, please do subscribe, support for Hari Systems. Thank you.